Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install PHP 8 on Windows 10 64-bit. So PHP 8 released on 26 November 2020. So let's see how we can easily install it on our Windows 10 64-bit operating system. For that, go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here type PHP, press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, php.net. Click on it. Now the official website is here. You can see PHP 8.0.0 released, and these are the new features introduced. You can check here. The special one is the JIT compiler, that is just-in-time compiler. We will learn about this in the later videos. Right now we need to just download and install it. Go to download section. Herein click on Windows download. On clicking, now you can see the link is visible. We will add this link in the description as well. You need to just download PHP from here. So we have two versions for 64-bit OS, that is non-thread safe as well as thread safe. Always remember you need to go for thread safe version. So it's for 25 MB. We will download the zip file. Click on it to download. On clicking, the download will begin, as you can see on the left below. So guys, we have downloaded PHP 8, as you can see here. Right click, show in folder. It is under downloads folder. Right click and extract here. Extract. Here it is, the folder is visible. Let's now rename it. I'll just keep it to 8.0.0. This looks fine. Now to set up it, right click and copy. Now let's go to C drive. You can also paste it here, but I'll prefer it pasting under program files. Now right click and paste it here. Give access, permission, continue. Now here's a PHP version. Double click and guys, just copy this path. So now we will set it under environment variable. Minimize this. Go to start, type environment variables. Click on edit the system environment variables. Now guys, you can see system properties under advanced tab. Click on environment variables. Here all the variables are visible, environment variables. The first one is for only Amit user and the second one, system variables, is for all users on this system. So it's a good practice to go for system variables always. So herein look for path, double click. Herein all the paths are visible. You just need to click on new and paste it here, right click, paste. So we have pasted the same path. You can recheck here. This is the same path we pasted. Now just click on OK, OK again, and last OK to save it. Now guys, we have successfully set up PHP 8. Now let's go to start and verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd. Click on it to open command prompt. Now the command prompt is visible. Now let's write a command to verify that we have installed PHP 8 successfully or not. For that, type php -v -v and press enter. On pressing enter, if the following is visible, PHP 8.0.0, that means you have successfully set up PHP 8.0.0 on Windows 10 operating system 64-bit. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download PHP 8, how we can easily install it. We also saw how we can set the environment variables for PHP, and at the end we verified the installation using the php-v command. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.